Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I'm here to quickly share with you my thoughts on a 15-piece DEWALT FlexTorq, FlexTorq bit set. So why am I here sharing my thoughts on this? Because these things can either be just total crap or they can actually be really amazing and make your work job much easier. So I will tell you about these, give you my experience, and I'll come back, give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know whether they were crap or whether they were good for me. So a couple things you need to know. This is the driver that comes with it, which is a really nice driver. It is very magnetic, which is something that I really appreciate. Comes with these 15 number 2 bits in this case, which I really like also because it locks shut so they don't end up all over your toolbox. Let me take one out, show you real quick just how this works. You take the magnetic piece, you put the drill bit in it, and whammo, blammo, I mean literally, it is in there. It is great. You can work inverted, straight up, whatever, sideways. You are not going to lose this bit. And if you do lose this bit over the course of time, you have 14 others. So I have to say I have used these. This is actually my second set. I do tend to lose them because I take them out and don't put them away like a good boy when I change them. I don't really think I've worn many out. Mostly just lose them. But in any case, they are amazing. I'm gonna give this DEWALT kit a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score for being really good. We will see you next time.